Are you looking as homeowners and gardeners seek smarter ways to declutter their outdoor spaces? Storage sheds are experiencing a surge in popularity. Whether you're a weekend gardener, a DIY enthusiast, or just need space for bikes and patio gear, a quality shed keeps your belongings protected year-round. In this guide, we review the best storage sheds based on material quality, weather resistance, capacity, ease of assembly, and overall value.
List number: Suncast 8x7-foot heavy-duty resin Tremont storage shed with reinforced floor, skylights for natural light. The Suncast 8x7-foot Tremont shed is an ideal mid-sized option for homeowners looking for durability without sacrificing style. Built from multi-wall resin panels, this shed offers exceptional weather resistance and stands up well to rain, snow, and intense sun. One standout feature is its skylights, which flood the interior with natural light. No flashlight needed during daytime access. The reinforced floor adds strength, making it ideal for storing heavier equipment like lawn mowers or snowblowers. Double doors allow easy access, and built-in shelf supports help with organization. Assembly is straightforward, though having an extra pair of hands speeds things up. This is a dependable choice for those who want compact size with premium features. List number: Suncast 8-foot 10-foot heavy-duty resin Tremont storage shed, sand. Need more room? The larger 8-foot 10-foot Suncast Tremont shed offers increased capacity for serious storage needs. It shares many features with the 8-foot 7-foot version. Resin panels for weather resistance, reinforced flooring, and skylights, but adds extra square footage for storing everything from garden tractors to bicycles. The shed also includes windows for added light and ventilation. Aesthetically, the neutral sand color blends well with most home exteriors. Assembly is manageable with clear instructions, although due to its larger size, it may take a weekend to fully complete. Once up, this shed becomes a long-term backyard solution, capable of handling both tools and recreational gear with ease. Its rugged build and stylish finish make it one of the best options for homeowners with extra storage demands. List number: 320-gallon lockable resin deck box, waterproof and UV-resistant outdoor storage box. While not technically a shed, this 320-gallon deck box offers excellent storage for those tight on space. It's perfect for outdoor cushions, pool toys, or gardening tools, and its resin construction ensures it's both waterproof and UV resistant. The lockable lid provides a decent level of security, and built-in handles make it easy to reposition. With a sleek, low-profile design, this box fits seamlessly on patios, decks, or next to the house. Assembly is a breeze. Many users have it ready in under 30 minutes. It won't store large power tools or bikes, but for lightweight and compact storage, it excels. If you want a versatile, weatherproof box that doubles as a bench in a pinch, this is an excellent pick. List number: KINYING larger outdoor storage shed, weather-resistant horizontal outdoor storage box. KINYING's horizontal shed is a smart, compact solution for homeowners with limited vertical space. Its low design makes it ideal for placement under decks or against fences, yet the interior is surprisingly spacious, perfect for garbage bins, gardening tools, or patio gear. Made of durable, weather-resistant resin, it stands up to the elements with minimal upkeep. The dual-opening lid and front doors allow for flexible access, and the lockable system adds security. Users appreciate the quick assembly, often completing it within an hour. It's not suitable for large tools or mowers, but if you want functional storage that doesn't dominate your yard, this KINYING shed delivers great value for the price. List number: Aoxun 10 by 12 feet outdoor storage shed with double-hinged large door. The Aoxun 10 by 12 feet outdoor shed is a heavy-duty beast for homeowners who want full-scale storage. Built with galvanized steel panels, this shed is ultra-durable and highly resistant to rust, pests, and moisture. The double-hinged doors provide wide access, perfect for riding mowers, bikes, tools, and even seasonal decorations. Unlike resin models, this one offers a more industrial look and feel, and with a lockable door, your gear stays secure. Assembly is more complex. Expect a full day or two, but the result is a permanent, high-capacity structure. If you're serious about outdoor organization and want a shed that matches your commitment, the Aoxun is a top contender.